Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is BriannaMagic, and you're watching BriannaMagic. I'm back with another video, and yes, I have on glasses. I got these from Walmart. $5. Some things have changed about me. Let's start off with the first thing. I got braids. Just got them done yesterday. Do you like them? Got a faux lock in there too. It's blue. Okay, anything else changed? I don't know. My nails are a different color. So I'm here to do a video over the things that Attribution sent me in our swap box video. If you have not seen that video, please go watch it. It is on my channel. It's the last video that I filmed. And y'all, to y'all that comment on the video before my last, that want makeup look for that, they want a tutorial for that eye look, it is coming. I promise y'all it's coming. It's just that I just want these videos to be in order, okay? And I used all three of the palettes that she sent me, believe it or not. And the only thing I did not use that she sent me was to create this silver line in my cut crease. That's the only thing that she did not send me, so I'm sorry about that. But I tried to use most things that she sent me. If I didn't use all of them, trust and believe, they gonna get used, okay? They gonna get used. I like everything. The powder is just, I think I gotta get used to the powder. I really like it. It made my face look good. Okay, look, ain't nothing wrong with my face. It's just like I think I gotta get used to it. But I really like it though. The highlighter. Y'all gonna see what the highlighter is. Y'all gonna see what the highlighter is. It's not just one, but it's two. This looks really, really good. The lashes look good. The mascara work good. I really like the mascara because it's like a comb and it makes my real lashes look real long. So, and it kind of rhyme. I need to stop. Okay, I need to stop. Y'all can't even see my light is so bright. Oh my god. But this setting spray is really, really good. I really like this setting spray. Thank you again for this setting spray. I really love this setting spray. Oh, I'm done talking. We're gonna get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah. So I have a look in mind that I want to do. I want to do a green and purple look, and I want to take y'all with me. So, and obviously we're gonna be using the palettes that Attribution sent me. We're gonna be using my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, the Bling Boss palette, and we're gonna be using the Off Tropic palette by NYX. She did give me the It's My Ray Ray Bitch Cosmetics palette. And I do need a black, so I'm gonna go in here and use this black color. Just a little bit, just to deepen up this purple a little bit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just needed that. I always like my little line. I don't know why, but she did send me two still liquid eyeshadows. I don't think they would have went with this look, but you better believe I'm gonna use them. I am gonna use them one day. You better believe that. Cause the way I was shocked in the video, you know I'm gonna use some still liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so we're gonna move on to face, and she didn't send me like a primer, but she did send me the setting spray, and he said it's a 3-in-1. It's a primer, setting, and refresher. So I'm going to spray this a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, she did send me the NYX. This NYX brush is the number 37 brush. Okay, I have used this brush before and I really do like it for foundation, so I'm going to use this for foundation today. And I'm going to step away from my stick foundation from Black Radiance, and I'm going to use liquid foundation. I'm going to use 375, which is way too dark, and I'm going to use both of these by Maybelline, and I'm going to use 130 Cocoa. I'm going to mix these together, a little bit more of this. She did send me some powder. This is the Makeup Revolution luxury baking powder in terracotta, and it come out like some seasoned salt. So I'm gonna use that. Okay, y'all, that is it. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you, Terica, for sending me all those things. I really do appreciate them. I really do enjoy them. My face look good. Okay, girl, my face look good. Period. Like, come on, bro. Yes, sis. Like this, like this. This should be illegal. This should be illegal. Illegal, period. Okay, I guess I will see y'all in my next video, which will be the video where y'all was requesting for the, you know, the eye look of when I tried new products, you know, that eye look that I did. So that will be my next video. Okay, I guess I'll see y'all next video. Bye. She's too bright. You can't even see her. What? The baby.
So okay. She's like a stuffed egg.